Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 4 quadratic equations, exercise 4.2 question number 1. Find the root of following quadratic equations by factorization. Now we have to find the roots, that is we have to solve this quadratic equation by the method of factorization. This method is also known as factorization by splitting the middle term. Now what we have to do here, we have to split the middle term such that when we add the two numbers, we get minus 3, add or subtract, we get minus 3, and when we multiply them, we get minus 10. The numbers are x, so we can write it as, so minus 3x, we can write it as minus 5x plus 2x. Now see what it will become. Minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3 and minus 5 multiplied by 2 is minus 10. So that is, we have splitted the middle term. Now what we will do, we will take common from first two terms. So we can see x is common. So x minus 5 is left, and from the last two terms 2 is common. So x minus 5 is left. So from this term and this term, x minus 5 is common. So from here, since x minus 5 we have taken outside, so x is left, and from here 2 is left. Now this is equal to 0. Now we have for this equation two factors. One is x minus 5 and one is x plus 2, and their product equals to 0. And we know that the product of two numbers is 0 if either of the two number is 0. That means x minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. You have to put this factor is equal to 0 and this factor equals to 0. So on solving this, we get x is equal to 5 and we get x is equal to minus 2. So the roots of given equations are 5 and minus 2. We can also say that x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2 are solutions of this equation. So this is the answer. Now the second part, 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Now we want two numbers such that on adding or subtracting them we want 1, since the coefficient of x is 1 here, and the product of numbers should be minus 6. The numbers are plus 4x minus 3x. Now see, let us see. 4x minus 3x is x, and 4 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 12. See, 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. So the product of the number should be minus 12. So let us take common. So 2x is common. From here x is left. From here 2 is left. And from them we have 3 common. So we are left with x from here and plus 2. Since we want minus 6, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So it will be plus here. So x plus 2 is common. From here 2x, and from here minus 3 is left. So we have either x plus 2 equals to 0 or 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2 from here, and x equals to 3. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. So the solutions are x equals to minus 2 and 3 by 2. So the roots of given equation are minus 2 and 3 by 2. So let us see the third equation now. It is square root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root of 2 equals to 0. Now we want the two numbers whose sum is 7, right? And the product of number should be root of 2 into 5 root of 2. That is product of this and this. Now when we will multiply them, we will get 5, and root of 2 into root of 2 is 2. So simply we want the numbers whose sum is 7 and product is 10. And the numbers are 5 and 2. So it will become square root of 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root of 2 equals to 0. Now see once again, 5x plus 2x is 7x and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and the product of root 2 and 5 root of 2 is also 10. Now if you will see the first two terms, only x is common. So we can take x common. So we are left with root 2x plus 5. And from here we can see here it is 2 and here it is root of 2. We also know that this root 2 is the product or square of root of 2. So if I will take root 2 common from here, root 2 is left, as 2 is root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 I have taken common, 1 is left, and from here also 5 is left. So we can write it as root 2x plus 5 and x plus square root of 2 equals to 0. So root 2x plus 5 equals to 0, or x plus root 2 equals to 0. This equals to minus 5, or x is equal to minus root of 2. From here x is equal to minus 5 over root of 2, and from here x is equal to minus root of 2. So the solutions or roots are minus 5 by root of 2 and minus root of 2. So the fourth equation is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. So first of all, what we can do, we can simplify this equation. So what we can do, we can take 8 as LCM. So here it will be, if I can write here 1. So it will be 16x square. This is 8x, and this last will be 1. And this 8 when cross multiplied by this 0 will become 0. 8 into 0 is 0. So our given equation now reduces in this form, right? Now we want two numbers whose sum or difference is minus 8 and whose product is 16 into 1, that is 16. The numbers are minus 4x minus 4x. So see, we have splitted the middle term. Minus 4x is minus 8x, and minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 is 16. So let us take from here 4x will be common. So from here 4x is left, from here 1 is left. Minus 1 is common because here we have 4x and here we have 1. So here minus 1 is common. So 4x minus 1 is left. See, since we want plus 1 here. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So now from them we have 4x minus 1 common, 4x from here and minus 1 from here. So 4x minus 1 equals to 0, or 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So 4x equals to 1, 4x equals to 1, x is 1 by 4, x is 1 by 4. So the roots are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. The last part is 100x square minus 20x plus 1. Now this is minus 20x, so this is 100x square, splitting the middle term. I can write it as minus 10x and minus 10x. Now minus 10 is minus 20, and minus 10 into minus 10 is 100. We need 100 here. So see, we have 10x common. So 10x minus 1 is left. From here minus 1 is common. So 10x minus 1 is left. So 10x minus 1 is common. 10x minus 1 from here. So we have 10x minus 1 equals to 0, or 10x minus 1 equals to 0. 10x is equal to 1. 10x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 10x is equal to 1 by 10, or our solution or roots are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10.